Introduction to various instruments. The instruments for measuring mass are the tools that we use to measure the heaviness or lightness of an object. Recall that mass is the heaviness of a substance. It is a measurement of how heavy or how light a substance is. It is used to measure the mass of solid substances. We measure mass of an object in grams and kilograms. These are called the units of mass. Units for mass. Grams are smaller units for mass. The smallest are milligrams. Kilograms are the biggest units for mass. It is important to understand how big the units are in relation to each other. It helps us to easily convert from one unit to another. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. This means that 1 gram is equal to 1,000th of a kilogram. Grams are used for lighter objects, usually below 1,000 grams. Kilograms are used for heavier objects, usually bigger than 999 grams. A scale is a tool that we use to measure mass. There are different types of scales. Kitchen scales for measuring food and ingredients. Classroom scales for measuring different objects in schools. Bathroom scales for measuring weight. Balance scales used to measure the mass of an object using a known mass. Some scales are analog and are divided into marks that represent kilograms and smaller marks that represent grams. You have to read the measurement like in a ruler. You need to understand what each division mark stands for. Some scales are digital. They display kilograms to one decimal place. For example, 50,3 kilograms. Digital scales give you the exact measurement. It is important to know what units and what scale are suitable for what you want to measure. Understanding which units are appropriate for the object you want to measure helps you decide which scale will be the best to use.
Need more help? Ask Maskey to make it easy. And let the maths finally start mathing.